Hello there, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. Hey, I've got most of a whole rotisserie chicken. A late evening impulse buy that ended up a little dry. And if your chicken ends up dry, well, here's a thing that you can try. Get a bowl. Now watch the screen. We'll pick that chicken carcass clean. There it is. And if you've guessed right, you know this ballad. We're gonna make a chicken salad. We'll fix this dry bird. There are ways, like smothering it with mayonnaise. Also, salt, pepper. Let's add some lemon juice. Yes, I've given up on rhyming. There's no way that I could rhyme. I simply haven't got the time. This is chicken salad. It's serious business. If you don't believe me, ask the missus. Now let's get some Dijon mustard. If you don't have it, don't get flustered. Stay there nice and calm and mellow. Just use something easy, yellow. Also, there's the mayonnaise. Put it on to last for days. I'm using a lot, as you can tell, because this bird is dry as hell. I've got celery, shallots, diced on wood. If you don't have shallots, onion's good. Another thing I think you'll need is a little bit of celery seed. Now, a secret that I like to do, and here I will just share with you, to make that chicken flavor louder, use some OXO chicken powder. That's nearly it. We're almost there, but there's one last thing I'd like to share. This recipe may be a little long, but we can still add some tarragon. This stuff is dried straight from my garden. And now I'm done. I beg your pardon. Now, mix it, stir it. You can manage. It's almost time to make the sandwich. But first, we taste it. Is it good? Tastes even better than it should. Okay, for real this time, I'm going to have to stop the rhyme. I'm recording this voiceover off the cuff on my lunch break, and I would just like to make the sandwich now. So, we've got 2 pieces of white toast. This sandwich I'm making for Sandwich Mom. And Sandwich Mom, devotees may know, is a pretty big fan of mayonnaise. We're going to mayonnaise both of the pieces of toast, and then we'll pile on as much of that chicken salad as we can possibly manage on there. Then a nice few leaves of iceberg lettuce. Finally, we can combine, admire, then we cut diagonally, and reveal. Chicken salad sandwich a la Sandwich Dad. But this one is for Sandwich Mom. Plate it up, send it out. Now for my chicken salad sandwich, I've got a Costco baguette I found in my freezer. So I'm going to cut an end off of that, slice it, open it up, and then I am going to toast it in as much butter as it will hold. I am going to mayonnaise just the top piece of bread here, for I am confident in the mayo ratio in my chicken salad. I will then scoop as much as I can get onto that bottom piece of bread, level it out with a spoon, and also grab a little bit of iceberg lettuce to put on the top. I kind of like a tomato on my chicken salad sometimes, but I don't have any. Oh well, put it together and here's my chicken salad sandwich. Almost looks like those Tim Hortons ones when they were actually good. Next, we shall cut diagonally, once again, the reveal. Sandwich Dad's chicken salad sandwich recipe. Of course, last thing left to do is to try it. Let's get another look at the cross section there. I would say that looks sufficiently moist. Taste test. Dry bird meat successfully transformed into something delicious. Chicken salad sandwich. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Sandwich Dad.